Chi Minh City से दोंगहोई को जा रहा हूँ. That's my flight. उसके बाद दोंगहोई से मेरे को Phang Nga के लिए either I'll have to catch a bus or a taxi. Ho Chi Minh domestic airport is very busy. I reached here about 2 hours ago and counter took me 15-20 minutes to check in, and then about 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes for security check. That was a huge line because there are not enough security check counters over here. That's why I've just reached on time. Luckily, what I would suggest is no matter what time your flight is, morning, evening, or night, just come here about 3 hours ago. Don't make a mistake like me. I came here about 2 hours ago. Even though it's enough, it seems like enough, but it's not really enough. Finally making my way. Just be here about 3 hours before. मैं सिर्फ लोकल्स के साथ ही हूँ यहाँ पे. लाइक मैं ही एक फॉरनर हूँ. I've just arrived at Donghoi airport. Now I have to catch a bus or a taxi to Phang Nga because I've got a lot of luggage. I think I'll prefer a taxi. I know it's gonna take up a bit more money, but the thing is, it would be a little bit convenient for me. I've got three bags, big bags. I've just done a taxi from Donghoi airport to Phang Nga Bay to my Sky hotel. There's a meter taxi as well, but it was a bit expensive for me. So I tried to do some negotiation with the driver, and he's agreed to take 300,000 dongs. I think that is cheaper for me. I mean, I'm alone and I've got 3 bags. Bus is gonna take about 60,000, which is very much cheaper, 5 times cheaper. But yeah, I've got luggage, man. सो मैं दोंगहोई से टैक्सी करके पहुंच गया हूँ यहाँ पे Phang Nga के बैंक. दैट्स द फुल नेम. इन शॉर्ट यू कैन जस्ट कॉल इट एज Phang Nga. गूगल पे सर्च करना है इसके बारे में. वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट केव सोन दूंग यहाँ पे ही है. It was just recently explored in 2009-2010 by British expedition. Not all the adventure tourist companies, they don't really do that. There's only one, which is Oxalis, and it's really expensive. I mean, you can't really say that you can just be there. It's actually $3,000 per person, which is really expensive. At the moment, I'm actually doing a cycle tour. I'll just roam around by bicycle for about maybe 15-20 kilometers, and I'll just show you how it looks like. It's just mountains and river over here. If you want to rent a bicycle, it's gonna cost you 50,000 for one day. 50,000 dong. If you wanna rent a motorbike, it's only gonna cost you 1,000 dong. 100,000, sorry. Oil will be on you. Just make sure that you have driving license for a bike. Basically, I don't think so. Anyone asks for the license over here. So I think it's all good. वियतनाम आओगे ना, कभी ये जगह छोड़ना मत. Hello. Bye. Bye. Oh. She's saying that she lives there. Bye. Hello. Bye. Hello. Bye. रास्ते में बहुत स्पाइडर्स थी बिकॉज वो रास्ता आता है रिवर की साइड से। तो मैं वापस गया और मैं फुल स्लीव्स की शर्ट लेके आया बिकॉज आई कुडंट बेयर इट। फिलहाल तो आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर रोड साइड स्टॉल, मे बी आई गेट सम वाटर। So I'm going to the duck stop, which is about 1.5 kilometers, and this is the way. मैं अभी बिल्कुल विलेज साइड पे आ गया हूँ। I don't think so that there are even roads. Oh, what the hell. Oh, but इसी में तो मज़ा है। I think as per now this is the best look of Vietnam that I'll remember. Hello. Hello. Love Valley. Duck Island. I'd probably go to Duck Island first. Donald's office. I also wanted to go to Da Nang, Dalat, but I missed that. So I actually chose this. I chose this because at least I'll cover one of the part in middle Vietnam. बहुत पीसफुल है यहाँ पे। मन तो कर नहीं रहा कि होटल रूम में वापस जाऊँ। इट्स अबाउट 5 PM राइट नाउ और बहुत ही अच्छी धूप निकली है, बहुत शांति है, कोई गाड़ी की आवाज़ नहीं, कोई हॉर्न नहीं। मैं अभी थोड़ा बैठूँगा यहाँ पे, थोड़ा रेस्ट करूँगा।